Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a special kind of airplane. It's small but faster than the usual one, the standard. Now for this you need a rectangular piece of paper, any dimensions, but it has to be rectangular. Maybe square, I don't know if that works, but still. Now first you fold it hot dog style, or hot dog, horizontal. I don't know, it's been a long time since I've been in 3rd grade. Crease it and unfold it. Now you should have like this. Now move the edge to the line, just like so. Just like that. Now do the same to the other side. Right there, you have it like that. Now fold down. Like that. Now, the paper's already creased, but I want you to take the edge, put it onto the line once more, again, and do the same for the other side. Alright, now take this side and push it just in, just like that, just like a standard, but smaller and faster. And do the same for the other side. Alright, now fold it, just like this, and push the flaps about a few centimeters below the bottom. Do the same for the other side. There you have it, a very cool, fast airplane. Let's see where it goes. Oh, that went far. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one. Bye.